You ready? Yo, what's up, everybody? So today we got my son Raya. Say hi, Raya. Raya has no idea what's going on.
He doesn't feel good.
No, you're right, buddy. So we got an unboxing for you. Got this big old thing. Rip it open. Want to be careful with my packaging, just in case I gotta send something back.
Right.
Right. So this.
Dude, it wasn't even taped.
No, it wasn't taped at all. See what we got here. So, yeah, anyway, you know, because of the title. They're gonna know what the video is because of the title. Anyway, so this is what you get in a refurbished iPad box. Looks like you get a pretty good,
Hold on, stop.
Yo, what's up, guys? So, today, we got a refurbished iPad. I bought a refurbished iPad from Amazon, from Buy Spry. So, let's check it out. Let's see if there's any, iPads in here. Hopefully there is. Is that bad? That's bad, huh? Start this again. Just see that again. Okay. Hopefully there's not a fat brick in here. Just kidding. Hold on, I got one. Hold on. Hopefully there's not a painted piece of cardboard in here. Let's see, in here we have this. We have the power brick right here. It's not a fast charger, but for the money, it is what it is. 5 volts at 2.1 amps. That's actually pretty good. Take the styrofoam out. See what else is in here. Some more styrofoam. We have the iPad itself. It did come with a lightning USB cord too as well, which I have no idea where I put it. Oh, I dropped it on the ground. That's what it came with. And here's the tablet itself. Comes in an envelope. And it comes in another envelope. Comes with the pull tab. Like it's brand new.
Tim?
You're right, buddy. Poor buddy. Raya did not like that sound at all. I'm butchering this. So this one is a 12.9 inch.
A huge
iPad. This is the 2nd generation iPad Pro.
damn, son, you just hit with the wow effect.
It's 512 gig. This is the 512 gig model. This is the one with the 120 hertz refresh rate. The reason why I chose to get this one instead of the new one, because the new one is like starting off at $1,000 for 64 gigs. This one you can get 512 gigs refurbished on Amazon for around $700. You can buy 2 of those for the price of the new one. Can you come over with this? This is really nice. It is a fingerprint magnet. But that's right. That's why we have a box coming. It's coming in later today. Excuse the noise. I got my son in here. It says hello. Is the last one Illy? Is that from Illy?
No, friends.
Hopefully there's not a painted piece of cardboard in here. Okay, we're gonna set this up some other time. Well, we're gonna do a quick unboxing.
You did
And
an unboxing.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me, hold on.
Do you want me to?
So we're gonna get this going, and then we'll come right back. Wait, hold on. So we're gonna get this one going, and then we'll come right back. So we're gonna get this going, and then we'll come right back. Wait, hold on. So we're gonna get this one going, and then we'll come right back.